Good morning, Danny. It's Friday, October 4th. It's our first Friday. Did you see that we have our very first subscriber? That means that we're loved! Yes! Okay, granted, it's my friend Leo, but that's beside the point, don't you think? This video will be coming at you in 3 different parts. Spoiler alert! I'm a poor planner, so it's coming at you in 5 parts. Part 1. It's voting season again in California! Yeah! I don't know when Washington's voting time is, but I just received my pamphlet in the mail. I know that you and I have similar values in doing your civic duty, and I can't wait to see what my state is discussing this year. Building heights and building spaces. Part 2. It's above 70 degrees here in San Francisco today, and there's no fog! What are the chances of that? I love October here. I distinctly remember Washington's weather sucking in October. Oh. Part 3. I read an article yesterday online about science that I wanted to talk about. Ooh, nerd, get off the stage. It's about a fake scientific article that was submitted to 305 different online journals. It was approved by half. Now I know a bunch of people are going to be up in arms about this, saying that science is supposed to be the truth, but clearly science is false. It's just trying to push some liberal agenda. It's that kind of thinking that makes me want to cry at night since I want to be a middle school science teacher, and those are most likely going to be the parents of the kids that I'm teaching. Science is my lifeblood. Yes, that means if you cut me, I bleed science. For me, the scientific method is a beautifully poetic blueprint for how we understand and interact with our universe. There's no belief in science. There's only conclusions drawn from a myriad of evidence. Just because these fake journals are posting quote-unquote science articles does not make it science. The best part about science is something called the peer review process, where they try to replicate the results of the experiment. That's what these fake online journals aren't doing. There is no peer review process. That's not science. My worst fear is that people won't trust science anymore, and it'll discourage people from wanting to do science. When that happens, we have people believing things like climate change isn't a thing, or the earth is flat. That's a dangerous mindset. Yes, there are people who still believe the earth is flat. Link to the Flat Earth Society in the description below. Part 4. I thought of a punishment! Wow, that's kind of sadistic that he's so excited about that. Danny, you would be excited too if you knew that it involved cookies. My punishment is you have to buy a box of what I deem diabetes cookies and eat the entire thing in 10 minutes. But Chris, I love cookies. How is this a punishment? While that doesn't seem like a lot to eat, the sugar content in these cookies make it humanly impossible to eat more than 2 in succession. Trust me. Part 5. Apparently I uploaded the wrong version of my Wednesday video, so you should go rewatch that because there's something in there I say about punishments. We made it, Danny! First week down! Y5! Danny, I'll see you on Monday.